In today's video, I'll teach you how to make welcome message on Discord. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the Discord application if you want. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. So click on the search bar and type in discord.com. Press enter. After you do that, what you have to do is click on this option, open Discord. Now you can see over here the Discord will be opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to make the welcome message, first of all go to the server of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to that particular server. At top you'll be able to see the server name over here. Simply click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, app directory. Now you'll be able to discover the apps. What you have to do is click on the search bar. Now search for Dyno. You'll be able to see the results over here. Click on this option, Dyno, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to add this application to this server. Click on this option, add app. Now you can see this kind of pop-up over here. Click on this option, visit site. Now once you do that, you'll be redirected to this particular tab. Simply scroll down. Now what you have to do is select the server that you would like to add the Dyno to. Click on the field of server and click on the server of your choice. Now click on this option, continue. Now after you do that, you'll have to confirm the permissions. After that, click on this option, authorize, that you can see on the screen. Now go through the CAPTCHA verification. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. First of all, what you have to do is simply set up. Simply select the message to be used as the command. Also select your time zone over here. Now click on the next option. Now after you do that, what you have to do is choose your update channel. Simply click on the option select and select the channel over here and click on this option next. Now again click on this option done. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the modules over here. You'll be able to find various options. What you have to do is click on the search bar. Now search for welcome. You'll be able to see the results over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for welcome. So what you have to do is toggle this button on. Now after you do that, click on this option settings that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is select the message type over here. Simply click on this option message. Now also select the channel. Click on the field of select channel. Now simply select the channel where you want the message to be created. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to enter your message over here. Simply click on the message bar. Now simply enter the message that you want to be displayed when somebody joins your Discord server. You can also see the variables over here. You can use these variables according to your choice. For example, if you would like to mention the name of the user, what you have to do is simply mention this variable of user. So what you have to do is simply enter the message of your choice. Now once you're done, click on the update option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here the message has been updated. Now when somebody joins the Discord server where the Dyno is added, they'll be able to see this particular welcome message. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you make welcome message on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.